Bought one of these refurb pool vacuum robot things. Not as good as the kind that are plugged in, or the kind that hook up to your filter. But I think ours is only like a 1/2 horsepower filter, quarter maybe even, I don't know. But it'll run for 90 minutes. We'll see if it picks up all them bugs and gnats. And hey, Ducky, what's up, buddy? That are in the middle there. It's just like a random pattern, no logic. It bumps into stuff and goes in reverse, just like our little sweepy in the house. And he'll bump into the wall. He doesn't climb walls. He doesn't scrub algae. You got to do that by hand. He just bumps around and picks up bugs, maple keys, and whatever that gross thing is right there. What the heck is that thing? That looks pretty snotty. Pick that thing up. Okay, little pool buddy. We'll check you out in 90 minutes. See if you've gotten to that little pile yet. Well, it's about 35 minutes in. It's gotten rid of a lot of that. We're getting a glare now. The sun's out. But yeah, it's doing its thing. See if I get you. Oh, the sun behind me without falling on my ass and dropping my phone. Yeah, there's still a little bit of dirt down there, but it says 90 minutes, so I'm gonna guess there's at least another 50 minutes left in it. That big pile of debris in the center has pretty much gone though. Well, I came out in 1 hour and 20 minutes and it was parked. So I don't know how long before that it stopped, but that was not 90 minutes. So we'll try again, but there's a lot of crap in there. A bunch of sand, feathers, maple keys. Looks like I got whatever that piece of snotty crap with feathers, maybe, I don't know. Some kind of bug in there. Yeah, I did a decent job, I guess. Because I was vacuuming by siphoning before. And that meant I had to fill the pool up again when I was done. And, well, I was dumb and I would let it siphon over the side and erode the ground away. So this is a better idea. I think this will work. I'm going to keep an eye on that time though. I'll run it again and set my alarm for 1 hour and 10 minutes. See if anything happened. Alright, there's my update. A lot of crap in there.